Wasn't prepared for it. I just kind of thought it would be guilty or not guilty. So I have to say I was absolutely not prepared for, a hung jury on 2 of the charges.
Glass's parents left the courthouse Friday in disbelief, nearly 2 years after their son's death. They never expected the case against the officer who killed Christian would end with indecision.
Some of the jury members looked straight at me, and a couple of the female jury members, they had tears in their eyes, and I don't know, maybe sorry that a verdict wasn't reached, or sorry that we lost our son, or, I don't know, but it was very, very sweet and very kind.
Prosecutors said Glass was having a mental health crisis that night in June 2022 when he got his car stuck and called 911 for help. Several officers engaged with Glass for more than an hour, unable to get him out of the car. Ultimately, former Deputy Andrew Buin broke the window, tased Glass, then shot him 5 times, killing him. Clear Creek District Attorney Heidi McCollum says she's not sure yet if her office will retry this case.
The tenor of law enforcement in Clear Creek County has been tainted with this case, and I don't know how long it's going to take for that taint to be lifted. It could be a year, it could be a decade. And so until that happens, until Clear Creek County can truly trust its law enforcement officers, there is that limbo that hasn't been lifted, and I feel for my community.
9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson said a retrial is more likely if the jurors are willing to explain their struggle reaching a verdict.
Both sides may want to talk to jurors afterwards before making decisions about whether to go forward, but the jury does not have to talk to them, and the judge tells them, jury members, you can talk to the lawyers if you wish, but no, they can't force you to talk, and if one of them bothers you, contact me.
The Glass family attorney tells us jurors are already talking to them. And based on those conversations, they told us they've learned that 11 of the 12 jurors were ready to convict Buin within the first hours of deliberations. The defendant, Buin, was not ready to speak to reporters today. Legal teams will be back in court Monday figuring out the sentencing on that reckless endangerment conviction.